My name is Roy Umahinweze, and I was one of the council who represented the governor of Ebonyi State, His Excellency Francis Nwifuru. Indeed, it was a very lengthy judgment. The court held that the petitioners failed to prove that the governor of Ebonyi State is not a member of the APC, but is instead a member of the PDP, which was what the petitioners had contended. The court also held that it was not proved that there was non-compliance with the Electoral Act in the election of the governor of Ebonyi State, His Excellency Francis Nwifuru. The court also held that it was not proved that the governor of Ebonyi State, His Excellency Francis Nwifuru, did not score majority of lawful votes in the election. Now, you are pressmen. I'm sure you must have been aware of the fact when the PDP dragged the governor to the Federal High Court and contended that he had defected from the PDP to the APC. And in that case, the Federal High Court agreed with the PDP that he had defected and that he had ceased to be a member of the PDP. Surprisingly, the PDP came back to this tribunal and said, no, if we see a member of PDP, I've never imagined that kind of lack of integrity. You cannot say one thing today and tomorrow you are saying a different thing. The tribunal deplored that conduct on the part of the PDP. So that's, in summary, what happened today.
The game is over. At least we have said from day one that Francis Nwifuru was sponsored by APC, and the court has confirmed our position. And secondly, we believed and we said that he won the election fairly and squarely. And you can see from the judgment delivered by the tribunal, the tribunal confirmed our position that they did not even show that they won the case, and that even if the complaints they made, they did not win the election with the majority of lawful votes. So, by and large, the decision, we are very pleased with it, and they have just confirmed what was on the ground, and for us, it's fair, and we appeal to them to look at it. It's not about appealing because we want to appeal. It's a matter of right. Let them join hands and build a better nation for all of us. That's the most important thing. There must be a winner in the election, and he won an election, and we sponsor the winner. Thank you. My name is Abdul Ibrahim, the counsel to APC.
My name is Chief Barrister Ifeanyi Iboko. I practice law in Abuja.
Counsel for the
PDP. I'm a member of the legal team for PDP in this matter. Well, this is just the first step. We still have a Court of Appeal and a Supreme Court. So from the outset, we knew that if we win, they will go on appeal. And we know that if it goes this way, we will go on appeal. So on appeal, we will be going. We will go on appeal. After looking at the judgment, consulting with our clients, but definitely we will try this judgment in the Court of Appeal. Well, we are not satisfied with the judgment, so we are going on appeal.
So there should be particular ones, particular areas.
On particularly issue of membership. We brought our petition based on Section 177 of the Constitution, and if you listen carefully, the court said that issue of qualification to contest election is both pre-election and post-election. So we want to test that issue on appeal, and as we go through the judgment, we'll also know some of the other issues to canvass on appeal. But this one is just very victory, because definitely it could go either way on appeal.
Okay. What's the name, please?
My name is Barrister Nwifuru.
Your reaction to the judgment, please?
Yes, I'm both a member of the legal team as well as the deputy chairman of the party in Ebonyi State, PDP. I am dissatisfied with the judgment of the Court of First Instance, knowing fully well that this issue of Ground 1 have been something that have been trending in the society. So we also know what on the authorities within which court has held and the position of the court on this particular issue of Ground 1. So having been dissatisfied with the position of the Court of First Instance, the party is convinced to go to appeal. Thank God for the position when the tribunal admitted that this particular issue of membership or defection, whatever, can both be tried as a pre-election matter and even had at the post-election like tribunal of this nature. So on our own, we want to tell our members to be calm, as justice delayed is not always justice denied.